हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे. Chapter 27. नारद उवाच इत्थं पुरञ्जनं सद्यग् वशमानीय विभ्रमैः पुरञ्जनी महाराजा रेमे रमयति पतिम्. The great sage Narada continued, "My dear king, after bewildering her husband in different ways and bringing him under her control, the wife of King Puranjana gave him all satisfaction and enjoyed sex life with him." स राजा महिषीं राजन् सुष्णातां रुचिराननां कृतस्वस्त्ययनां तृप्ताम् अभ्यनन्ददुपागताम्. The queen took her bath and dressed herself nicely with all auspicious garments and ornaments. After taking food and becoming completely satisfied, she returned to the king. Upon searching her beautifully decorated, attractive face, Upon seeing her beautifully decorated, attracted face, the king welcomed her with all devotion. तयोपगूढः परिरब्धकन्धरो रहोनुमन्त्रैरपकृष्टचेतनः नकालरंहो बुबुधे दुरत्ययं दिवानिशेति प्रमदापरिग्रहः. Queen Puranjani embraced the king, and the king also responded by embracing her shoulders. In this way, in a solitary place, they enjoyed joking words. Thus, King Puranjana became very much captivated by his beautiful wife and deviated from his good sense. He forgot that the passing of the days and the nights meant that his span of life was being reduced without profit. शयान उन्नद्धमदो महामना महार्हतल्पे महिषी भृजोपधिः तामेव वीरो मनुते परं यतस्तमो विभूमो न निजं परं चयत. In this way, increasingly overwhelmed by illusion, King Puranjana, although advanced in consciousness, remained always lying down with his head on the pillow of his wife's arms. In this way, he considered woman to be his ultimate life and soul. Becoming thus overwhelmed by the mode of ignorance, he could not understand the meaning of self-realization of his self or of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. तयैवं रममाणस्य कामकश्मलचेतसः क्षणार्धमिव राजेन्द्र व्यतिक्रान्तं नवं वयः. My dear King Prachina Barshit, in this way, King Puranjana, with his heart full of lust and sinful reactions, began to enjoy sex with his wife, and in this way his new life and youth expired in half a moment. तस्यामजनयत् पुत्रान् पुरञ्जन्यां पुरञ्जनः शतान्येकादश विराडायुषोर्धर्मतात्यघात्. The great sage Narada then addressed King Prachina Barshit, O one whose lifespan is great, Virat. In this way, King Puranjana begot 1100 sons within the womb of his wife Puranjani. However, in this business, he passed away half of his lifespan. दुहितुर्दर् दुहितुर्दर्शोत्तरशतं वितृमातृयशस्करीः शीलौदार्यगुणोपेताः पौरञ्जन्यः प्रजापते. O Prajapati, King Prachina Barhishit, in this way, O Prajapati, King Prachina Barshit. In this way, King Puranjana also begot 110 daughters. All of these were equally glorified like the father and the mother. Their behavior was gentle and they possessed magnanimity and other good qualities. Sapanchalapatif putran pitruvamsha-vivardhanan darai samyojayamasa duhitru sadrushairvaraihi. After this, King Puranjana, king of Panchala county, in order to increase the descendants of his paternal family, married his sons with qualified wives and married his daughters with qualified husbands. Putranam chabhavan putra yekaikasya shatam yairvai pauranjano vamshaha panchaleshu samedhitaha. Of these many sons, each produced hundreds and hundreds of grandsons. In this way, the whole city of Panchala became overcrowded by these sons and grandsons of King Puranjana. Teshu tadriktahareshu gruhakoshanujivishu nirudena mamatvena nishayeshvanvabhadyata. These sons and grandsons were virtually plunderers of King Puranjana's riches, including his home, treasury, servants, secretaries, and all other paraphernalia. Puranjana's attachment for these things was very deep rooted. Ije cha kratubhirgorair dikshitah pashumarakaihi devan pitrun bhupatinan akamo devan pitrun bhupatin nanakamo yata bhavan. The great sage Narada continued, My dear King Prachina Barshit, like you, King Puranjana also became implicated in so many desires. Thus he worshipped demigods, forefathers, and social leaders with various sacrifices, which were all very ghastly because they were inspired by the desire to kill animals. Yukteshvevam pramattasya kutumbhasaktachetasah asasadasa vaikalo yo priyah priyayoshitam. Thus King Puranjana, being attached to fruitive activities as well as kith and kin, and being obsessed with polluted consciousness, eventually arrived at that point not very much liked by those who are overly attached to material things. Chandavega iti kyato Gandharvadipatirdrupa Gandharvastasya balinaha षट् षष्ट्युत् षष्ट्युत्तरशतत्रयम् षट्युत्तरशतत्रयम्. O king, in Gandharvaloka there is a king named Chandavega. Under him there were 360 very powerful Gandharva soldiers. Gandharvyastadrushirasya maitunyascha sitaha parivritya vilumpanti sarvakama vinirmitam. Along with Chandavega were many female Gandharvis as they were soldiers, and all of them repetitively plundered all the paraphernalia for sense enjoyment. ते चण्डवेगानुचराः पुरञ्जनपुरं यदा हर्तृमारेभिरे तत्र प्रजागरः. When King Gandharva Raja Chandavega and his soldiers began to plunder the city of Puranjana, a snake with 5 hoods began to defend the city. ससप्तभिः शतैरेको विंशत्या च शतं समाः पुरञ्जनपुराध्यक्षो गन्धर्वैर्युयुधे बली. The 5-hooded serpent, the superintendent and protector of the city of King Puranjana, fought with the Gandharva for 100 years. He fought alone with all of them, although they numbered 720. Shriyamano swasambandhe yekasmin bahubiryudha chintam param jagamartaha Sarashtrapurabandavaha. Because he had to fight alone with so many soldiers, all of them were great warriors, the serpent with 5 hoods became very weak. Seeing that this most intimate friend was weakening, King Puranjana and his friends and citizens living within the city all became very anxious. Sayeva Puryam Madhubhuk Panchaleshu Swaparshadaihi Upanitam Balim Grihnan Srijito Navidambhayam. King Puranjana collected taxes in the city known as Panchala and thus was able to engage in sexual indulgence. Being completely under the control of women, he could not understand that his life was passing away and that he was reaching the point of death. Kalasya duhita kachit trilokim varamichati paryatantina barhishman pratyanandata kaschana. My dear King Prachina Barhishit, at this time the daughter of formidable time was seeking her husband throughout the 3 worlds. Although no one agreed to accept her, she came. Daurbhagyena loke vishruta durbhageti sa yatushta rajarshayetu vrutadat purave varam. The daughter of time, Jara, was very fortunate. Consequently, she was known as Durbhaga, Durbhaga, ill-fated. However, she was once pleased with a great king and because the king accepted her, she granted him a great benediction. कदाचिदटमानासा ब्रह्मलोकान् महीं गतं वव्रे बृहद्व्रतं मां तु जानति काममोहिता. When I once came to this earth from Brahmaloka, the highest planetary system, the daughter of time, wandering over the universe, met me, knowing me to be an avowed brahmachari. She became lusty and proposed that I accept her. Mai samrabhya vipulam adachapam sudussaham statumarhasi naikatra madhyanja vimukho mune. The great sage Narada continued, when I refused to accept her request, she became very angry at me and cursed me severely. Because I refused her request, she said that I would not be able to stay in one place for a long time. Tato vihata sankalpa kanyaka yavaneshwaram mayopadishtamasādhya vavre namna bhayam patim. After she was thus disappointed by me, with my permission, she approached the king of Yavanas, whose name was Bhaya or fear, and she accepted him as her husband. Rishabham Yavananam Tvam Vrune Virepsitam Patim Sankalpastvai Bhutanam Krutah Kila Narishyati. Approaching the king of Yavanas, Kalakanya addressed him as a great hero, saying, My dear sir, you are the best of untouchables. I am in love with you and I want you as my husband. I know that no one is baffled if he makes friends with you. Dvavima vanushocanti bala vasada yallokashastroparnatam narati natadichati. One who does not give charity according to the customs or injunctions of scriptures, and one who does not accept charity in that way, are considered to be in the mode of ignorance. Such persons follow the path of the foolish. Surely they must lament at the end. Ato bhajasva mam bhadra bhajantim me dayam kuru ye tavan paurusho dharmo yadartananukampate. Kalakanya continued, O great one, I am now present before you to serve you. Please accept me and thus show me mercy. It is a gentleman's greatest duty to be compassionate upon a person who is distressed. Kalakanyodita vacho nishamya yavaneshwaraha chikirshurdeva guhyam sa sasmitam tamabhashata. After hearing the statement of Kalakanya, daughter of time, the king of Yavanas began to smile and devise a means for executing his confidential duty on behalf of Providence. He then addressed Kalakanya as follows. Maya nirupitastubhyam pariratma samadhina nabhinandati lokoyam tvamabhadramasam त्वामभद्रामसम्मताम्. The king of Yavanas replied, after much consideration, I have arrived at a husband for you. Actually, as far as everyone is concerned, you are inauspicious and mischievous. Since no one likes you, how can anyone accept you as his wife? त्वमव्यक्तगतिर्भुङ्क्ष्व लोकं कर्म विनिर्मितं याहि मे पृतना प्रजानांश्च प्रणेष्यसि. This world is a product of fruitive activities. Therefore, you may imperceptibly attack people in general. Helped by my soldiers, you can kill them without opposition. प्रज्वारोऽयं मम भ्राता त्वं च मे भगिनी भव. चराम्युभाभ्यां लोकेऽस्मिन् नव्यक्तो भीमसैनिकः. The king of Yavanas continued, Here is my brother Prajvara. I now accept you as my sister. I shall employ both of you as well as my dangerous soldiers to act implicitly within this world. Thus ends the chapter entitled Attack by Chandavega on the city of Puranjana, the character of Kalakanya. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.